Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Commercial Embroidery Machine with 15 needles and a 13-inch by 20-inch LCD screen, a versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals alike. This machine stands out for its impressive capabilities, positioned to meet a range of embroidery demands, from simple designs to more complex, multicolor patterns. At first glance, the machine boasts a robust design that indicates its industrial-grade quality. The 15-needle configuration allows for efficient multicolor embroidery, which can significantly reduce the time spent on projects requiring several hues. The spacious 13-inch by 20-inch embroidery area provides ample room for larger designs, making it suitable for various applications, including apparel, home decor, and promotional items. One of the standout features of this embroidery machine is its user-friendly 13-inch LCD touchscreen. This interface facilitates easy navigation through the various settings and options available. Users can upload their designs through USB, allowing for seamless integration of custom patterns. Furthermore, the machine supports multiple embroidery formats, which can be beneficial for those working with different software programs or design files. The machine's automatic thread trimmer is another notable feature, designed to streamline the embroidery process by cutting the thread at the end of each color change. This can save time and reduce the amount of manual labor typically required in multicolor projects. Additionally, the machine includes built-in tutorials and design editing options, which can be especially helpful for those who are still mastering their embroidery skills. In terms of usage, the machine is relatively straightforward to operate, although it may require some initial familiarization with its features. For those with prior experience in embroidery, adapting to this model should be manageable. Beginners may appreciate the comprehensive instruction manual, which outlines setup and operational steps in a clear manner. In conclusion, the Commercial Embroidery Machine with 15 needles presents a solid option for those looking to expand their embroidery capabilities. Its combination of a generous embroidery area, advanced threading technology, and user-friendly interface creates a well-rounded machine suitable for various embroidery projects. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a novice eager to explore the world of embroidery, this machine offers a range of features designed to enhance your creative endeavors.